Greetings to one and all present.
So developing a website, you can see this in three layers, like in a structure layer and a style layer and behavior layer. So the structure layer is constructed using HTML, and the style layer is constructed using CSS, and the behavior layer can be constructed using JavaScript, PHP, and there are many other languages. So HTML is the bones of a website. Uh, it is a frame of a website um, that contains the text or images or links or any sort of information. And the CSS is similar to muscles of a website, and we can use CSS to decorate our website. So we can add in colors, animations, and any sort of things. Yeah, and there are many ways to make money from web development. So one of the way is by doing freelance. Most of you might know about freelancing, I guess. Um, uh, and do you guys have a PC or laptop to work with it? Yeah. Okay. Uh, so you can just simultaneously try them out on your systems. It does not require any new softwares to be installed, and you can just start it right away with Notepad. So um, open your Notepad and get a new style sheet in sheet, and let's start. So we use the brackets, like the lesser than or greater than symbol is used as a brackets here, uh, and the HTML refers it as tags. So we use tags to represent information. So so this doc type HTML represents that this file, this text file is of HTML file type, and sorry, so and the HTML file type to the browser. So it recognizes that it is in the format of HTML. So then after this comes our HTML tag where our code starts. So this one right here, it is known as opening tag, and if you add a slash before it, then this is the closing tag. So the HTML contains a head and a body. So here the head contains the title of the website and other configurations required for the site. And the body contains the informations to be present in the website. So for you to clearly understand, let's visit our website. This is our VMAX website. So we have our text. These are the informations. So we have the text, we have images, and also we have links. So these are the links that directs us to other pages. Mm. So, like said before, we will have the titles inside the head. So first, we will be seeing about the headings. First, let's see about the heading tags. The heading tag, there are 6 types of headings in HTML that you can use. It is represented as H1. So now you have to save the text file as an HTML file. So we'll be using .html to represent that it is a HTML website. If you click save, and if you open this website, so this is how your website will be. So as you see, we have given the title as heading. So we can see the heading. You can also give an icon to your website. I haven't given it yet. So under the headings, as I said before, we have 6 types of headings, and each heading will vary in size. I have saved my file, and once I refresh, my new information comes in.
Raghuram, your screen is not visible.
So Is it visible now? So as I said before, we have 6 variants headings. So once I save this file and I refresh the website, and you can see headings. So it the size of the heading decreases in each variance of the headings. So we only have 6 types of headings, and even if you use a 7th heading, you wouldn't get any heading types. So this is just a normal format text. So, any doubts? Are you guys following? Okay. Yes, thank you. So let's see about paragraph tags. So we have paragraph tags. So for paragraph tags, we use P and say this is the paragraph. So paragraph is just a normal type of text, and it is a block element. Block in the sense you will be given space before and after the text. Paragraph, right? If I add another paragraph, save it, save fresh. Like you can see that there's a 1 line space after each paragraph. See about formatting text. So, so The formatting tags helps us to show some of the text in a different way. Like if I want to bold another, I can just add B to this. So once I say, so you can see that another is being bolded. There are various tags like this. And italicize the tags. So I'll save the file. This is like different slanting. So, so now we can put some decorations to our website that we have seen that how to put information to the text. So for using CSS, we'll use a style tag which allows us to decorate the website. Like style CSS is a cascading style sheet. So you use styles to show your website differently. So I'll reference my p tags here as p. I'll give a color to the text like that. So all my p tags gets to it. So any doubts?
Raghuram, there are quite a few doubts in the chat box. Can you check it out?
Yeah, okay. How to add a background? So for adding a background, you can just use background color. Okay. If I want to give a background to the whole page, I will just refer the body here, body tag. So I'll give background color. I'll give light blue. So once I save it, and how did you change the color? So I'll I refer the p tag here and I assign a color. I run this. Yes, this is easy. You just have to understand how this works. You should know the basics. That's what I mean. So I can also change the background color to just the p tag elements. So you can see, as I said before, the paragraph tags are a block elements. So it takes full space of a line. So there is another thing like you can add on buttons. Here you can see the button. Okay. So to give any functions to this button, you have to know JavaScript. So JavaScript, through JavaScript, you can give various functions to this button. So you can also change the button styles. Yeah, we can also use A tags, A tags or to give links. Like you can refer another website, like direct to your website. I'll show you how. Here, A tag needs a href element. So if I want to redirect to Google, so, so this is A tag. It gives the hyperlink. It directs us to another website. We can also use the A tag to a button. So you can also so I just say so we have seen headings, paragraphs, anchor tags, which are A tags, and buttons, and some formatting tags. We have also seen about stylizing the website. And any doubts? Can you show the code? So I have posted the codes in the GitHub, so you can access those codes. This GitHub. So I have every, so it's like reference for you. You can just revise them if you want. And we learn JavaScript. We can learn them from YouTube. Uh, there are some views. Just padding. So adding gives an extra space, leaves an extra area. So the content area. So this is the content area where your text or images or any information goes in here. And the padding is the extra space that you can leave. Yeah. And there is a border around the padding, and also you can leave some space using margin. Right. So to show you clearly, yeah, I have given padding is 50 pixels and margin as 10 pixels. So margin refers to the space between two elements. So I give, you can see that there is a space. So we have out in anchor tags. So a tags. So, yes, Akash, what's your do? Any other doubts? So you can learn more about this in YouTube. Yeah, there are many videos like tutorials. So you can, if you make a good portfolio, you can join in the freelancing so that you can help yourself with money. So there is a freelancer website. Here you can post in your works and you can post your portfolios. There are people who needs website. Okay, just let them. Share some tutorial videos in group. Okay, I'll look into some and post the videos. What do we do if we need a link inside buttons? Yeah, and that's what we have given here. So we have made a button, and we have given an anchor tag inside the buttons so that we can give a link to this. One, if you click here, you are directed to a view. Yes, yes, Kavin. Anchor tag is also known as a tag is also known as anchor tag. So we saw about headings. There are six variants of headings: H1, H2, H3 till 6, and we have a paragraph tags. And for formatting, we use D, I, and there are many more formatting tags like EM for emphasize. It is similar to the I tag italicizes. And then we saw about the anchor tags. Anchor tags, the A tags lets you to direct to a link. And we also saw about buttons. Is it okay? Yeah, you can also use Notepad++. And there are various other IDEs like Sublime, VS Code. And there are many. Use of B tag. So B represents bold. This short form. So to add photos, sorry, I forgot about the images. So you have an image tag. So this just needs a opening tag. You don't need any closing tags. So you give src and give the link of the image. So I'll use Unsplash. So in Unsplash, you can see there are many images. So most of the time, I use images from Unsplash sites. I'll right click and copy image address. Just paste it in the src. Once I save it, I can see the image. So this is how you add in an image. You can also change the size of the image.
Participants, do we have any other doubts for Raghuram? Yes, sure, Kevin. That will be the next thing that we will have. Okay, if there are no doubts, we will wrap the session up. Hearty thank you, Raghuram, for such a comprehensive and instructive session. 7 to 8 p.m. tomorrow, Mr. Hari Vigneshwaran will be explaining GitHub and Flutter Flow to create your own app. Participants kindly fill in the feedback form that will be circulated in the group today. And on behalf of our department and everyone gathered here today, I express our heartfelt gratitude for Raghuram for enabling this session. Thank you so much for joining us today. And those who need a quick recap on how to use Canva and those who have doubts regarding the session contest can stay back. Others can others feel free to leave the meeting. Okay, now moving to Canva. You will have there are two options. You can create a design in Canva app or else in Canva web browser. Both are free to use. You just have restrictions on the elements that are available to you. Some features are only available in pro version. You don't have to worry about that. Even with the free account, you can create a pretty good design. So the poster which was circulated yesterday for Canva Create was also created in Canva. So you can create posters even with a free account. And now regarding the contest, what you'll have to do is poster, the standard poster size you can follow, which is see, so this is a poster. What we expect is you will have to design in this blank poster. You should not use any ready made templates. These are all called ready made templates which is already available, which you can take and edit up. You shouldn't be using that. You should just use a blank template, and you should design with the help of elements which are present in Canva. You can even upload your own photos that you take from Google, or even use the photos that they have. The only requirement is that you should not use ready-made templates. If you use, we have software to detect the use of ready-made templates, so please don't do that. And the second thing, many asked overview on how to use Canva. So here is it. As we are limited on time, I'll use a ready-made template. But it is really easy to navigate through Canva and create a design of your own and design. I'll take. I hope the screen is visible to all. Okay. So I just search for Pongal and I'm going to edit a Pongal poster. Okay, it's premium. Never mind. Okay, I'll do a we are hiring poster. It is really simple to edit in Canva, and as soon as you're done with your design, you can add in text over here. You can add text boxes, and you can customize the text format here. There is bold, italic, and you can change the text style. You can even curve the text. I will go to FX, and then I'll go to curve, and I'll be able to curve the text that I'm doing over here. For any designing thing that you want to achieve, there's an option in Canva. And elements are something, this one over here is an element. You can search such elements in the elements tab over here. I'll go for Apple, and you'll have a lot of graphic illustrations for that. I can just select anything and drag it over here. But you'll have to see whether if it's pro or free. Pro versions are only available if you have a pro account. You can just design with a free account, it's not an issue. So these are called elements, and here's an avocado. We don't need that anyway. So this is the basic overview, and we have asked you to share the link of the Canva design. How you do that is go to share, and um, only you can access, change it to anyone with the link can view, so that we will be able to view your design but not be able to edit it. And now copy the link and send it to us. Okay, and you should also download your poster as a PNG or JPEG file, and then upload it in the form. Do it within the deadline. The form will be closed after deadline. No responses will be accepted after that. If you have any more queries, you can ask right now. We have circulated the form yesterday in the group. You should upload. I'm just sharing one screen, and I'm reading your messages right now to see if there are any doubts. So I'm not doing anything. Oh, you're not able to see the poster. Okay, wait. I'll reshare. I'm really sorry for that, guys. I'm really sorry. I'll go over it again. So I clicked on this poster, and I had a blank template. This is where you have to start from and design. You should not be using any of the ready-made templates. Ready-made templates are these ones which are available in Canva itself. You just have to edit it. Don't do that. Start with a blank template. Add in your own background. You go here and change the background color, and you can add in your own elements. For example, you can search for Indian flag, and you'll be getting the elements over here. Even if you want photos, you can add it, and you can edit your photos using the edit image option, and you can alter the transparency, and there are many things available. And if you want to add text, you go to the text section and add a heading. If you want to change the font style, the option is right here. You can make it bold, italic, and you can change the font size. And if you want to curve your text, there is also an option curve, and your font is curved. And then there are many options in Canva that if you want to create a design of your own, it's up to your creativity and how you want to project it. Okay, and other than that, here are elements. So this one is an element over here. um, you can add any element that you want, and even upload pictures of your own, or take it from the Google or anything. But the only condition is that you should not use ready-made templates. Any other doubts? And oh yeah, the link. How you must be sharing your link is go to share over here, and here change the access to anyone with the link can view. and then copy the link and give it to us. And also you will have to send your design as a png or a jpeg file. You should download it and upload it to us. It should be done in the Google Forms that we circulated yesterday. Do we have any other doubts? Um, Parthen, the design is appreciated as a PNG or a JPEG. GIF is not really appreciated. You can just edit the animation off. No other doubts. Okay. Then we can end the session. Okay. If you have any other doubts, feel free to contact in group or text to my number. Sure, Tarun will do that. Thank you guys for joining in today. We'll see tomorrow. No, no. Today's topic, website creation, does not have another session. Tomorrow we have on app development using Flutter Flow. And also note that today just gives an overview on website creation. You should read more on that topic. We just gave you a kickstart on it. In future, there might probably be other sessions about website creation. It will obviously be circulated in the WhatsApp group, so have an eye on that. Yes, Kevin, the session is over. If you have any doubts, you can ask, or else we can leave the session. Yes, you can leave the session. The session is over. Thank you all. Thank you. Yes, Hari, go ahead. Hari Krishnan, do you want me to unmute you? Sayarthi, yes, you can leave the meeting. Yes, everyone can leave the meeting. Only if you have any doubts, you can stay back, or else we can leave.